Dispatch 13028 Ohio. Dispatch 13028 Ohio.
I don't have a body cam. I think he's potentially 1055.
I'm so sorry. I'm really bad about getting these things from there.
Go ahead.
I don't know any of the companies around here.
Frank Edward Zebra 4328. Frank Edward Zebra 4328. Next record on call. Passenger car phone and damage.
No, that one's even worse.
I know it is. I can call them and ask them to send me.
My fiance works at the hospital and she's trying to text me her insurance information. This is her car.
Okay.
So I have the registration right here.
Okay. What happened?
I looked and then I went through the intersection. I didn't see him and I clicked him.
Okay. You have your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir. Maybe. I have a bunch of IDs in there, sorry.
130 this time.
Go ahead.
Yours will be your tow.
10-4.
I guess I don't have my driver's license in here. I have my department ID and my FOIA card.
What's your name?
Roy Peters.
I got his ID.
Oh.
Did I already give you my ID? Okay. Yeah, I already gave her my ID. I'm sorry.
How much you had to drink tonight, man?
I haven't had anything to drink.
Yeah?
No.
That bracelet on your right wrist tells me different.
No, I went there with my friends.
West St. Park, people A.M.R. Robert K. King, S.M. first name Katie, middle initial E. Edward,
My
email, date of birth
insurance
217 of 99,
Come over to the sidewalk for me real quick.
21799, second's going to be through Ohio.
Do me a favor, stand with your feet together, arms down at your side, hold your head still, follow my finger with your eyes.
Lincoln,
So, how much you had to drink tonight?
I've had a couple beers.
How many's a couple?
I am just a few. I was bringing home one of my other friends.
12 of 98.
I'm a deputy in Pike County, Missouri.
Okay. Where's your friend at? In your vehicle?
No, I had already dropped them off.
Okay.
I was on my way home.
Alright. Hang out right here for me.
No longer muted.
They're both valid. Click. 10-4.
Airbag deployment. Nice. Who do you want to tow that car?
Sir?
Who do you want to tow that car?
My car?
Yeah.
I don't care.
It's a phone number for you. Dispatch 130. Next tracker on call for second passenger car front end damage, airbag deployment. Alright. Let's go. I'm gonna use this sidewalk over here.
I think Toby's on his way too if you need help.
Good. Hey Roy, can I get you over here, man? Alright, so I'm gonna run you through SFSTs, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You got anything wrong with you physically?
No, sir.
You wearing contacts right now?
No, sir.
Alright. Just do me a favor, stand feet together, hands down at your side, alright? So don't move your head, follow my finger with your eyes, alright?
Yes, sir.
You understand those instructions?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, doing good?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so same thing. Just follow my finger with your eyes, don't move your head. Alright, man, doing good? Alright, so next thing we're going to do is walk and turn, alright? Do you have any physical problems or disabilities?
No, sir.
Alright, so what you're going to do is we're just going to use the middle of the sidewalk. You're going to pretend like there's a straight line down the middle of the sidewalk, okay?
Yes, sir.
So place your left foot on the starting point in front of that fake line, and place your right foot in front of your left foot with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot, exactly like I'm standing.
I mean to place my right foot in front of my left foot.
Yes. So then keep your arms down at your sides like this.
Yes, sir.
All right, maintain that position until I've completed the instructions, okay? You understand everything so far?
Yes, sir.
Don't start to walk until told to do so. You understand everything?
Yes, sir.
All right. When I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this imaginary line, turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line, okay? Which we're going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go to 9. When you turn, take your foot off the line, take a series of small steps to turn, foot back on the line, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, and then you're done. When you turn, keep your front foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps. All right, so again, 1, 2, 3, series of small steps. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9, okay?
Yes, sir.
While you're walking, keep your arms at your sides, watch your feet at all times, and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, don't stop until you've completed the test. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, man, so this next is a one-leg stand, all right? So stand with your feet together and your arms down at your side, just like this, like you were standing for that eye test.
Yes, sir.
So don't start to perform the test until I tell you to do so. You understand the instructions so far?
Yes, sir.
When I tell you to start, you can raise either leg with your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping the foot parallel to the ground. So that's going to look exactly like this. Keep both legs straight and your arms at your sides. While holding that position, count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until told to stop. So, hands at your sides, feet together. You can pick either leg, 6 inches off the ground. Look at your foot: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, until you're told to stop. Keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep watching your raised foot. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and perform the test.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020.
We're good then. All right, man. Do me a favor and put your hands behind your back, all right?
Can you not cuff me, please?
I have to cuff you, man. It's department policy. Double lock these so they don't get tighter on you. Do you have a gun in your car, man?
I don't think so.
See, you've got a bunch of ammo in there. You don't have a gun or anything?
I don't think my son arms him.
Okay. You have anything on you here?
No.
Alright. Put your hands up for me. So you got your phone here.
Sorry.
Well, I am too. White car is
my fiance.
I'm gonna start doing the inventory on that, McGee.
Alright.
Does that sound good to you?
Yep, thank you. Alright, man. I'm gonna come over here to this car with the 4 on the front. Oh shit. Hold on, give me 1 second here. There's come to the front of this for me. What's up?
You saw the camera on.
Yeah.
Can we keep this off?
Recording muted.
Hold on.
No longer muted. No longer
sorry,
muted.
bro.
You're all right, man.
I know.
No,
I feel just as bad for you as I know you have to do this. And I'm not expecting you to be any different, and that's why I didn't say anything.
No.
You know, but I just, if we can keep this out of the news, that's the only thing I ask for you, please.
We're
bro.
good, man. All right, we're good.
I have the most felony arrests in my county out of anybody.
How long you been there?
Nine months.
9 months. Okay. Just hang tight for me, man. Huh? Pike County, Missouri. Huh?
I take care of all that with the car.
Just, I'm gonna leave here in a second. So. I don't think so. I think Erica said she's got a crash report. What's that? I'm not sure. I didn't hear him. Dispatch 130.
Go ahead.
1055 in custody.
What's his name?
Roy Peters.
He's not even on 28. Roy Peters?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta get his info from Erica. I mean, she's got his DL.
All right, man.
10-8-205 NTA.
Report.
Can I get his DL?
I need a current address.
Hey buddy, can we get in here and get that insurance info so we can...
Did she text it to me?
Yeah, she did. I don't know.
Can I get these put in front of me? I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, I promise you, I'm not.
No, you're all right, man.
I
You're alright, man.
feel just as bad as you do, I promise. You should not have to be in this.
39. Go ahead, I'm trying to log back on. 4611 State Timberline Terrace. Possible disturbance. Call advisor, there's a bunch of kids outside
Yes,
yelling,
hold on.
apologies. With them yelling to fight. Caller didn't see him, only heard him. See outside of Timberline Terrace, 4611 State. Unit available, go 10-8 back up 139 on a possible disturbance.
Yeah, she texted to you.
Dispatch 140.
What do you have?
I can serve my lunch here in one second.
We got to do a crash report.
Yeah.
So I just need to put this policy number in there.
I have insurance. Yeah.
Okay, that's all right, man. I'll be right back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, look, man. Either way, you're not going to be lodged. Okay.
Did that other female have my ID?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. I just realized I was missing my ID, so I just wanted to make sure someone that has my ID, right?
Yep. I've got it right now.
No, but I mean my other ID.
What's up, buddy?
It's
You have a call for anything?
No.
I'm just asking a bunch of stupid questions, alright?
Yeah.
Past 14 days, you've been around with COVID-19. That you know of?
No, nothing.
Cool. Few more questions, alright? Any medical problems to be aware of?
No.
No mental health issues, anything like that? Not suicidal?
No.
I'm sure you've been cooperative.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Roy Peters.
What are you here on?
we're gonna use the intoxilizer.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Alright. Take this off. So you good to come out?
Yep.
Alright, come on up, bud. Walk through there.
God damn it. Roy, come back in there. Have a seat at that desk right there for me.
Yes, sir.
You're all right, man.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, man.
What does someone have my ID?
That's with your stuff.
Because I checked I was checking my wallet and I didn't see it. I just wanted to make sure that it was in my. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to make sure. That
You're right. I'm pretty sure it's in your stuff, man. I'll check again, okay? And then so on this, I just got this warnings issued to you.
Yep.
Roy Peters II. It's your driver's license number.
Yes, sir.
This is you acknowledge receipt of this warning to motorists. So a couple years ago in Illinois, they changed this to where they give you the option to sign or not. You don't have to sign it, but okay. And that's just verifying that I read that stuff to you. I'm going to give you a copy of that stuff as well. Thank you.
Same shit, different state.
Yeah. So we have to do a 20-minute observation period
Yeah.
before you get the option to do the intoxilizer. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you open your mouth for me and stick your tongue up the roof of your mouth? Thank you. So a 20-minute observation. You can't burp, throw up, have anything to drink, stuff like that.
Can I pee if you observe me?
I'll let you go pee right in. That's fine.
Thank you.
I'm
gonna boil.
You're fine, man.
Obviously, I
It's just
plenty of the IRS myself.
you're all right, man.
What's up with this test? Why are they doing it this way?
What do you mean?
Took the study guide away.
Oh, they might be doing a different test then.
They did a orientation guide.
Still that?
It's like an aptitude test.
Oh, yeah. I think they're just doing a different test.
It's like basic reading comprehension, basic general
That
math.
makes sense. They've had the same test for...
Is it just because they need so many people to get hired, or what?
No, I think they've been trying to redo the test for a while.
Oh, really?
I mean, they've had the same test for at least 12 years.
Yeah.
And same exact test. And like, nothing different about it. So.
How many they plan on hiring?
Well,
How many you need?
we need 8. Yeah, 7 or 8. I think. I think.
That's what everybody's potentially reading?
Yeah. See if they all leave or not.
Yeah.
I mean, 4, if not that, for next year.
What's your name, man? If you don't mind me asking.
Robert McGee.
What's the last name?
McGee.
I don't think I've met you yet.
You've been there for 9 months.
What's that, sir?
You've been there for 9 months.
Yeah, I was hired December 30th of 2020. I started at DO on December 30th. I'm sorry, man. I know that you feel, just as bad as I know. It's not fair to you. Nobody wants to do this.
No, you got that right, man.
You guys called my agency yet?
No, we won't. No, we don't. We don't do stuff like that, man.
No longer muted.
Believe it or not, I'm the kind of person to be the opposite. But, you know, I'm fortunate enough that I worked on oil rigs prior to COVID.
Oh yeah.
I lived 2 houses away from Andrew Campbell, believe it or not. So
I wondered how close you were there.
yeah. So I'm very unfortunate in that aspect, but I had a great job prior to COVID. Law enforcement was something that I always had wanted to do. I started out in a jail in Arkansas.
Okay.
You know, I will say this: is your camera off right now?
No, it's on.
No. I lead my county in felony arrest. Out of 4 agencies, I lead my county in felony arrest for dope and everything. Out of 4 law enforcement agencies, I'm in the top.
What is Bowling Green, Pike County?
Yeah, that's our county seat. Yeah. I had a 2.3 ounce meth recovery Friday morning.
Yeah.
It's a Class A trafficking case. How long you worked here?
7 years. Seems like it's getting weirder and weirder every day.
Well, I hope I didn't contribute to that, and I'm sorry that I put you in this situation.
Well, all right, man.
No, it's not alright.
Well,
It's just as bad for you as it is for me. You know that. I've never been put in this situation. So.
are you gonna have to move over there eventually, or they just allow you to live over here?
Yeah, they allowed me to live here. They did. They won't now.
Well,
I won't have a job anymore, so.
we'll see what happens with this thing.
But, I work a lot in highway interdiction.
Okay.
I've been a deputy for 8 months out of the academy, and this is my 3rd Class A highway interdiction case. And I just opened it up yesterday.
Do they still have the?
Do
Do they do the Northeast Missouri Task Force?
Cash bond still. That person that I charged with the Class A yesterday is on a $105,000 cash only bond.
Oh, geez. How much? What'd you say? 3 grams?
No, it's 2.3 ounces.
2.3 ounces.
But I got them with scales and distro bags too. So. Yeah.
You're probably on a $500 bond here.
Yeah.
No, his name Marcus Moore.
Yeah.
Ring a bell to you? Yeah.
Yeah. He's from Hannibal.
Yeah.
I'm familiar. I haven't got him with anything in our county, which we're just
He's
2 counties south of Marion, but
he's lodged here on a Fed case right now.
oh yeah, nice.
Our task force guy got him with a bunch of buys.
Yeah.
So
I just passed something to your task force guy a couple weeks ago on someone. I stopped this guy. My dispatch screwed it up. I stopped this guy. It's an Illinois tag, and they failed to mention until after I let the guy go that he was on felony paper, and he's been involved in shootings with you guys and drug cases with you guys.
who is that?
don't have my phone. I'd have to look at my text messages with Summers, but I can tell you if I looked at my messages.
Yeah, we seem to have several.
Yeah, so I stopped him. They didn't give me my readback that he was on felony paper until after I let him go. But he told me, I stopped him for having a headlight out, and he's like, well, I'm going to turn around and I'm going back to Quincy. But he said he was going to St. Louis to pick up his son. But I just stopped him for having a headlight out, and he's like, well, I'm turning around. And this was in Eolia, which is an hour and a half from here. You know, so he was only 35 minutes from St. Louis, but he didn't want to complete his trip to St. Louis because he had a headlight out.
Yeah.
But I didn't have a canine available, and he denied me consent. So.
I'm originally from Northeast Missouri, from Lewis County. So I'm familiar with all the areas down there.
Yeah. So Pike County runs from Frankfort all the way down to Eolia. We have about 50 plus miles of Highway 61 and about 60 miles of Highway 79, which is another U.S. highway. Plus we have about 40 to 50 miles east to west of US 54.
Yeah.
So we don't have that big of a county population, but we have plenty of roads to work and drug interdiction wise and stuff. So
What is the population in Pike County?
like 20-something thousand. Yeah.
Bowling Green's got their own PD, right?
Yeah, Bowling Green and Louisiana. Those are the only two towns we have that are.
Louisiana's a whole, man.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, you're absolutely right. I have spent 2 hours in Louisiana before, so like my patrol sergeant, he's had his truck at the Ford dealership, right? Like it's been there to get an oil change. I picked my patrol sergeant up at his house, who was also my FTO, and he's like. You have until we make it back to Bowling Green before you get a dope arrest. I hadn't made a traffic stop all day. I was on day shift for the last 3 months during the summertime. I hadn't made a traffic stop all day. I picked him up and he said, you have until you drop me off at my truck to get a dope arrest. So I stopped the car for no front plate and ended up turning up. I arrested everybody in the car for possession. They all had meth on them and they all gave me consent and everything. So. Yeah, it's inevitable there. It's like, you know, catching fish in a barrel.
Louisiana's been bad for a while.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Well, Hannibal's having a bunch of shootings lately and stuff.
Yeah, they're just limited on what they can do. Like, on Friday, I actually, I just got my reserve with Marion County, so, yeah. So I can do like 96 and Fed transports with them. They get paid $35 an hour cash for 96s and stuff, so.
Yeah.
I just got that on Friday.
So it's rough over there with what you guys get paid.
Yeah. We average, I work night shifts by myself in a 700 square mile county. A lot. Yeah. So you encounter a lot of critical incidents that you handle by yourself.
Yeah.
You just gotta figure it out. You hold people at gunpoint and just wait and hope that they comply and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's a good experience. So I was on my way prior to this to try to come over here. I have letters of recommendation from my PA, my sheriff, to come here.
What do they start out at over there?
I make $17.81 an hour. But I have letters from my PA and stuff to come here.
Yeah.
And yeah, I talked to Sam Smith, and they just wanted me to work in the jail until the next patrol position, you know, just because they like everybody to start out in the jail.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all over now. I'll never work in law enforcement again. You know, so.
Well, just stay optimistic here, man. Just.
It's not your fault, man.
We've got a bunch of spots open right now for
I know.
us.
I was at the barber shop with what's his name? Trying to think. Kyle. What's Kyle's last name?
Hatch.
Kyle Hatch. I was at the barber shop with him last week, and he was trying to get me to not apply with Adams and come apply with you guys. So
Yeah, I think we start out at 58 now. I think 58 or 59.
yeah. Well, this jail here starts out like $2.50, $3 an hour more than I make in Missouri.
Yeah.
And I'm putting critical incidents 3 to 4 times a week by myself, you know. But I mean, I lead my county in felony arrests, you know. So
I think we're at, after 5 years, we're at like 76. Well, if when our union contract gets approved, probably be at like 77,000 after 5 years here.
yeah.
But you don't pay near the taxes in Missouri.
Yeah. Well, I live it.
Where'd you work at oil rig at?
I worked in South Texas, North Dakota, and Wyoming. Most recently, it was in North Dakota. Then COVID happened and prices crashed and stuff. So I came home and actually I got like 2nd and 3rd degree burns on my foot. And one day I was out washing my truck after I just came off this injury. I was finally able to do stuff, and Andrew Campbell, he lives a couple houses down from me, and he pulled up and he said that I looked at him whenever he went by and he tried fighting me. And yeah, so I came up here and I got an order of protection and stuff. So I wasn't involved with any law enforcement agency at that point. And like Shannon came and talked to me, and he's like, hey, I promise you he doesn't have any guns and stuff. He threatens every officer that I have, you know, and stuff like that. Apparently he harasses the fuck out of you guys. I don't know, but
Yeah.
So I've had a couple instances where I've had my take-home car at my house, like to go to training in Iowa. I go to the Midwest Counter Drug Training Center for classes and stuff, and every time my car's been at my house, he's called my sheriff and tried to harass the fuck out of him because a Missouri patrol car was in Illinois. Yeah, he's just a real fucking asshole.
Yeah, that guy's an idiot.
Yeah. From what I've heard, he harasses the fuck out of you guys any opportunity he gets.
Yeah. He's been concentrating on the state police right now for whatever reason. But
Well, that's good for you guys, I guess.
yeah. Yeah. Alright, so just a long, slow, steady breath. Thank you. So I gotta read this to you, okay?
Yeah.
It's called a notice of summary of suspension. Well, notice of summary of suspension. All right, so it's got all your info on here, your driver's license number, your address, today's date. When we got out with you at 2:28 at 24th and Spring, and then the test here at 3:52. So I got to read this to you, right? So the suspension / revocation of your driver's license shall take effect on the 46th day following issuance of this notice. Subsequent to an arrest for violating Section 11-501 of the Illinois Vehicle Code or similar provisions of the local ordinance, or Section 11-401 of the Illinois Vehicle Code, you're hereby notified that on the date shown above, you are asked to submit to a chemical test to determine the alcohol, other drugs, intoxicating compounds, or any combination thereof, content of your breath, blood, urine, or other bodily substance, and warn the consequences pursuant to Section 11-501.1 of the Illinois Vehicle Code. You have the right to a hearing to contest your suspension / revocation. You must file a petition to rescind your suspension / revocation within 90 days of this notice. Because you submitted to testing conducted pursuant to Section -11-501.2, which disclosed an alcohol concentration of 0.192, which is greater than 0.08 or more. So basically what I just read to you is your driver's license 46 days from today, the state will automatically suspend it.
Yeah.
You have the option to fight that within 90 days, all right? You get a copy of this too with this warning to motorists, all right?
This is 24th. Oh, you said you need to talk to me, so I said 76. And then,
Yeah. Are you recording?
yes.